L'Oreal Productions. Let's get it.
Isaiah 32. Behold, a king shall reign in righteousness. Jesus. And princes shall rule in judgment. And a man shall be as an hiding place from the wind, in a covert from the tempest, as rivers of water in a dry place, as the shadow of a great rock in a weary land. If God is with you, who could be against you?
Nobody.
In the eyes of them that see shall not be dim. In the ears of them that hear shall hearken. Let's get it. The heart also of the rash shall understand knowledge. In the tongue of the stammerers shall be ready to speak plainly. Let's get it. The vile person shall be no more called liberal, nor the churl said to be bountiful.
Get behind me, Satan.
For the vile person will speak villainy, in his heart will work iniquity, to practice hypocrisy, and to utter error against the Lord.
Get behind me, Satan.
To make empty the soul of the hungry, and he will cause the drink of the thirsty to fail.
Yikes.
The instruments also of the churl are evil. He deviseth wicked devices to destroy the poor.
If you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
I'm here for
With
you.
lying words, even with the needy, speaketh right.
I just want to be a good person.
I'm sure you do.
But the liberal deviseth liberal things, and by liberal things shall he stand.
My enemy can bring me freedom.
Rise up, let's get it, ye women that are at ease. Hear my voice, ye careless daughters. Give ear unto my speech. Rise up, let's get it. Many days and years shall ye be troubled, ye careless women. They get to us through you. For the vintage shall fail, the gathering shall not come. Tremble, ye women that are at ease. Be troubled, ye careless ones. Strip you and make you bare, and gird sackcloth upon your loins.
You better get ready.
They shall lament for the teeth.
Why you mad?
For the pleasant fields, for the fruitful vine. Upon the land of my people shall come up thorns and briars.
Yikes.
Yeah, upon all the houses of joy in the joyous city. Because the palaces shall be forsaken, the multitude of the city shall be left. The forts and towers shall be for dens forever. A joy of wild asses, a pasture of flocks, until the Spirit be poured upon us from on high. In the wilderness be a fruitful field, and the fruitful field be counted for a forest. Let's get it. Then judgment shall dwell in the wilderness, and righteousness remain in the fruitful field.
You better get ready.
And the work of righteousness shall be peace, and the effect of righteousness quietness, and assurance forever. Repent. And my people shall dwell in a peaceable habitation, in sure dwellings, and in quiet resting places.
Meanwhile, the wicked get no rest. The wicked get no rest.
When it shall hail coming down on the forest, and the city shall be low in a low place.
All you have to do is look around.
Blessed are ye that sow beside all waters,
Humble yourself.
that send forth thither the feet of the ox and the ass.
Man, if you with that BS, you gotta get from around me.
Let's get it!
All praises to the Most High. Learn, grow, conquer.
If you would like to hear another breakdown, comment down below. And don't forget to like and share, comment and all that.